Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Cricket Icon Plus 2026 in Twilight Purple. This is Cricket's latest budget-friendly phone, and it comes with something rare, a 2-year warranty. For a phone around $100, that's a big deal. Let's dive in. This is the first Icon series device from Cricket to support 5G, and instead of a number like before, it carries a model year name, Icon Plus 2026, giving it a fresh identity. Display and design. The 6.9-inch HD Plus display is large and clear, perfect for videos and browsing. It also has scratch-resistant glass, which isn't always included at this price. The phone comes in Twilight Purple, but you can also find it in Cloud White and Midnight Majesty. Performance and storage. Inside, it runs Android 15 with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, expandable with a microSD card. The octa-core processor runs at 2.4 GHz and 2.0 GHz, giving smooth performance for everyday use like messaging, streaming, and light gaming. Camera system. The rear setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the front, an 8-megapixel selfie camera handles video calls and content creation. Both sides record in full HD. Battery and connectivity. A 5,000 mAh battery powers the Icon Plus, lasting through a full day of use. Connectivity includes 5G, NFC, Wi-Fi calling, mobile hotspot, USB-C, and Bluetooth 5.2. Price, warranty, and value. The Cricket Icon Plus 2026 comes in around $100. Affordable on its own, but the real standout is the 2-year warranty. Most budget phones only cover you for 1 year, so this doubles your peace of mind. To wrap things up, the Cricket Icon Plus 2026 in Twilight Purple gives you a big display, expandable storage, reliable cameras, long battery life, full 5G connectivity, and the rare 2-year warranty, all for about $100. If you're looking for an affordable phone that doesn't cut corners, this one's worth checking out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload.